In this Rock Like the Pros beginning practice and technique bootcamp video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can pick. There's many ways that we can pick the guitar here. And I'm going to show you those 3 ways, and you can use any of these to go through this course. 1 is you can use a pick, 2 is you can use your thumb, and 3 you can use your index and your middle finger. And I'll show you each one of those. First, I'm going to go ahead and grab a pick here, and we can just go ahead and start with our open string here. Now, you want to do is just simply hold the pick. I just hold it between my thumb and my first finger. I hold it lightly, not too tight, not too loose, just kind of a medium hold. We want to have a little bit of flexibility. And then I have a little bit of that tip there of the pick. So I don't want to hold it up too high, and I don't want to hold it too low. Just right there, give you a nice little pick. And then when I put it here on the strings, I'm going to play it right here, just below the end of the neck here, a couple inches, right around the middle pickup here. And then I'm just going to simply pick. Okay? So that's a downstroke and upstroke. So alternate picking. That's generally what guitar players do, and especially in this course, this technique course, that's exactly what you're going to do for this whole course. So just simply down, up, and I'm just using a first string open. Now, a couple of things people may ask about, which is like, well, what do I do with my fingers? Do I use a closed fist? Do I use open fist? Do I rest my hand here on the string? So there's not necessarily a right or a wrong. If you look at, especially in the world of rock guitar players, you'll see all kinds of various technique that work for players that may not be proper classical technique, but it works for them. So I'm going to give you a couple ways here. So first way is to have nothing touching the guitar except for your elbow here. So you got a closed fist, you got the pick, this part, nothing's touching. All you're doing is resting it here on here, and then you're just simply down, up, down, up. That's the cleanest way to play because you're not going to get any extra string noise or anything. And I've seen some really great players that just play with that technique. For all of these, you want to make sure you have a really nice loose wrist. Okay, so when you start going faster, doing tremolo, that kind of stuff, you're going to want to have a nice loose wrist. All right, so that was one. Next way would be to have this part of the hand touching probably right here on the strings right here. And so when you pick, you're just simply picking. And that gives you just a little bit of support. And then the last way is some guys will have, when I say some guys, myself included, will have the hand open a little bit, and it might be touching a little bit here. That's probably the one that gives you the most support. And it works great on electric guitar. Sometimes if you're recording and you're doing that on acoustic guitar, you can get a little tapping noise from your fingers, but that's okay as well. All right, so that's using a pick. Alternate picking, down, up, loose wrist, find the position that works best for you. The next way would be using the thumb. Now, this is something that definitely comes more from the ukulele world, but you can use this on the guitar as well. And it's simply doing the same thing, except you're going to be doing just downstrokes with your pick. Your pick, you meaning your thumb is acting like a pick. And I'm just using the side of my thumb here, a little bit here. I got a little bit of a nail. You don't have to have a nail, but a little bit of flesh, a little bit of nail, almost acts like a pick. And you're just going to do the downstrokes like that. Now, this would be all downstrokes for this technique. You could, if you wanted to, go down, up, but traditionally, its thumb is mainly down. So that's 2. So we got the pick, we got the thumb. The next way is the classical technique, which is the alternating index and a middle finger. And all you're simply going to do is start here with, and again, we're just doing the open string here. Just start here with the open strings, and you're just going to go from the index to the middle, index to the middle. And you're just going to be coming up for each one. This is alternating index and middle fingers. And again, just like the thumb, I'm reusing the side of the fingertip here, and a little bit of nail on both of these. And I want to come up at not at a 90-degree angle, but a little bit of a 45-degree angle. When I'm doing this, it's going to give you a really nice tone when you come up at that 45-degree angle. This is a great technique, especially if you're into fingerstyle or classical style of playing. So you can use any of these or all of these for when you're doing this course, this technique course, or when you're playing in general. All right, again, the 3 styles are the pick, and let me just show you just doing this. The alternating with the pick. Number 2 is a thumb. And then the third would be the alternating index and middle. You can see that each one gives you a different tone as well from your guitar. So, all right, I want you to use whatever's comfortable, or if you want to develop all of those, you can practice these exercises using all 3 of those techniques, or you can alternate, do one lesson with the pick, one lesson with the thumb, one lesson with the alternate fingers, depending on how much you want to develop your right hand here. So anyway, those are 3 ways of how to pick on the guitar.